natin. Let's go!
Sino ang magagalumhan kita? Sino ang
A few moments later.
So, nandito na kami sa Villar Cayo, guys. Hinihintay na lang namin yung dalawang kasamahan namin. Sobrang bagal kung kumilos. Hoy, nagreklamo. O sige, magchismisan muna kayo dyan habang hinihintay natin yung mga matching.
1 hour later.
Hi, finally nandito natin mga Disney princess, no? So, napainintay natin. Tara na!
Tell me what it takes to get you feeling alive. Tell me how to show you it's a beautiful life.
Okay, nandito na tayo sa daan patungo sa Taytay Hills.
Yeah.
Itsuha talaga in the Philippines, guys, no? Kaya sa mga nagbabalak na pumunta dito ay magdala talaga kayo ng payong at jacket to protect your skin. Sa hirap ng daan ay nag-angkas pa ba na talaga kami niyan, guys, kasi nagreklamo na yung motor ay stay yung driver. Magpahinga muna tayo, guys, no, kasi napagod na yung mga kasamahan natin. Buti na lang talaga at nagdala kami ng tubig. And of course, guys, magdala talaga kayo ng tubig, no, para may mainom kayo sa inyong paglalakbay. Nasa baba pa lang tayo, guys, is makikita na natin yung ganda ng tanawin dito sa Taytay Hills. How much more kapag nakapunta na tayo sa pinakatuktok nito. So yun yung pupuntahan natin, guys, no? Malayo pa siya, ngunit masaya naman kapag kasama mo yung mga kaibigan mo. Meron din silang tubig dito, guys, no, na kapag naubos na yung tubig na baon mo, is pwede kang uminom dito. Ito talaga yung tinatawag nating pure mineral, walang halong chemical.
So guys, nandito na talaga tayo sa pinakatuktok, ang Taytay Hills. Tara!
You've been chasing a ghost, you gotta change your mind if you're gonna let go. No matter how you feel, nothing's holding you up. Nobody holding you back from the life that you want. All your life you've been chasing a ghost, you gotta change your mind if you're gonna let go. No matter how you feel, nothing's holding you up. Nobody holding you back from the life that you want.
Meron din silang mga kubo dito, guys, no, na pwede niyong rentahan. Nasa 600, 700, depende sa laki ng kubo na inyong uupahan. Pwede din kayong mag-overnight dito kasama yung family mo, yung mga friends mo. Goods talaga siya for relaxation.
To get you feeling alive. Tell me how to show you it's a beautiful life. I'll do anything.
Timing yung pagbisita natin dito sa Taytay Hills, guys, no, dahil nandito yung may-ari ng area na to. So tatanungin natin si Sir kung anong yung mga plano niya dito sa nabili niyang lupa sa Taytay Hills. Tara!
Well, good afternoon everyone. This is Marcelo, the owner and proprietor of Taytay Hills Camp and Cafe. I would rather say good afternoon and probably in Thai, Sawadee Ka. Yes, then I'm privileged to have these students to get an interview from me regarding how I run, how I started all this kind of place for relaxation and so forth and so on. And maybe we can go camping. You can bring your own food, and but if you run out of food, I can offer you our coffee shop or some food stuffs that we can offer. And for more information, maybe I'll just wait for the kids, these ladies, to ask me some questions. And ready. I'm waiting for your questions.
Anong interest mo sa kani sir nga ani ka may tukod ang living ka ni Taytay Hills?
Well, akong tuganan mo sa scenario, how it happened, how it started. Kanang 1 year ago, that was Holy Week, Holy Thursday, me and my wife and my son, we have a, Visita Iglesia. Seven churches all over the province. Then, di hapon man may sobrang nga time, na kong minti sa, kami ka ba kuno ng Taytay? Because I was really innocent, I am naive, I don't know what is really Taytay. So, makasa kami. Then, then nagsakay man mi og kanang Montero, ukira kinakit man apog. Then, ako pa kami, tapos ako na to, Montero. Sukar. Then, akong di-convince akong wife, I will stay for the whole night. Hingon ko. Then, yun siya, ikaw, pinahalo ko manaog. Gato ko. Ano na to? Then, himen. Yeah, the house that we were in, yung said, ganahan eh. Kung nga ko sugar ninyo, day. Sabi ko, yeah. Mo, ne. Good Friday, next day, ingat kumida yun sa tagiya. So, akong i-dibifit, then Saturday, bayaran ako, napalit ako. So, then, from then on, dito malikos gawas, ibili ko na kong tao, sila yung trabaho. So, karon retire naman ko. Ano ko?
Sir, sa may plano nimo anong imong napalit ngayon
Ang plano ani is basically akong retirement place for relaxation. Kay for the information of everyone, wa man ko katugan no. Taga Buenos Aires ko Chocolate Hills. Yeah. Odol ra. Yeah. Kanang kubikan sa place na ganahan gyud ko nga mo stay ani ba? Kung lang, retirement lang ka ng home lang, relaxation. Then, at the same time, naapoy mo hangyo nga na mo overnight in order to defray also my expenses. The better, pero not necessarily as a business.
Sir, kaya how can you connect the spaces to develop local culture?
Okay, speaking of local culture, living in this place since a year ago, I am planning of developing culture like offering kite flying. Because,
Wow! Nice!
I may call it Tabanog Festival.
Yes.
Yes. Then of course that will be an open competition or an open festival, open to all people with of course age limit. Then we will be probably, hopefully next year this will be realized. I am not really sure, but I am praying and hoping that will be pushed through. Because of the place, we can have because every night, kada gabi ani banha kayo ng Tabanog. Puslan man, culture naman na nato at i-develop na. And at the same time, maka-invite of tourists to come to this place because of the festival. Then, when tourists are coming in, economy of the place will be circulating for sure. Kwarta gikan sa laing lungsod, and hindi gastuan. So that's it. That's one way of helping to develop the local culture. Okay, it's my privilege to be with you. Thank you so much. Then, sawadee ka.
Napaka-approachable talaga ni Sir Marcelo, guys, na kahit may ginagawa siya is pinaunlakan niya pa rin kami na interviewin siya. Kaya sa mga nababalak na pumunta dito, don't forget to visit this area kasi napaka-refreshing at napakaganda ng tanawin dito sa cafe ni Sir Marcelo. Dito natatapos ang aming adventure sa Taytay Hills, guys. Salamat sa pagsama sa amin. Naway nagustuhan niyo ang aming ginawang vlog. Kaya sa mga napaplano na magbanding kasama ang buong pamilya at barkada, I highly recommend the Taytay Hills, guys. Kaya ano pang hinihintay niyo? Arat na!
Tinatawag na tayo ng bundok.